Yeah, that's dangerous. I see he put a little rag over it. That's dangerous. Damn, he got a twin turbo, they still spinning. Damn, he just made it fit. Like, I'm finna cut all that shit out the way and run it like I want it. Okay, he did that. How you feeling after 11 drinks at the airport? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Got some little baby headers on there. It look like a 1 3/4 inch. They say you can do that on turbo. Man, I feel like I want to reset my gimbal. I don't like this. It ain't listening that much like I like it to listen. It's listening, but barely. Nothing much, chilling on. They got some bikes out here. Nicodemus, look out. Oh, they got a little Malibu out here. I think if I had a Malibu, I'd set it up like this. Yeah, I like when they put that front like that. That little hood. And that little tail. I like that. Ooh, he did that. Oh, he got the interior done and everything. Yeah, this it. This it right here. I like it when they do it like that. Out of Mississippi. Hey, y'all. Alright. Look out, racing. Look out. Let me see what they were. Little small blocks. Okay. Got a little cam in it too. Okay. Got a nice little blue Justin Martin 19 with Corvette right here. He got it looking good. Man, this mug here clean too. It's different. He got that baby alarm on there. He should have said, nah, I'm good with that little siren. He got that meep meep. He got that alarm. Go ahead, man. He got that alarm that ain't gonna wake you up. It's clean too though. Boy, the sunset look good over there though. Another car. Everybody pulling up now, kid. He just brought the Monte Carlo out. Okay. Yeah, he did that. He did that. Here they got that old Cadillac. Oh man, someday they found a new kind of grill. Golly, that look more. That mug look more good. I like it with that grill on there. That's that real Cadillac grill right there. Okay. See, they will buy a vet out here. All right, Twisted Soul, let me know when we back. It usually only do it for 3 seconds or something. But I guess. Trying to move fast in the mall. Okay. They got some more cars. I ain't even been over here. Okay. Okay, he said we back, y'all. Ooh, we got a... What kind of intake? Got that intake? What that look like? Jag D 08. You like that right there? Uh-oh. Damn, I need to get up there. Somebody shit hollering. Okay. Got this right here. What y'all think about that right there, man? What y'all think about that? y'all cool with that type of intake? Looks hydro drip. Oh yeah, it do. I don't see nothing else fast. See a little turbo Camaro back there. Okay. Okay. Let's go over here and see what's really going on. I'm finna go over here and see I'm finna go over here and see who on the thing. Boy, they got that grill smoking. Oh, they cheap. Oh, he probably doing it with his son. Ah. Let me see one more time. Look out. Okay. Both of y'all need to scoot over. Y'all throwing them all on the ground. Man, they got that grill right there smoking, man. Ain't nothing in there. What's up with it, man? Man, what the hell are you doing? What, you warming up the bottle? Oh, okay. That's how he warm up his bottle, y'all. You don't be using no torch, huh?
Nah, I'm gonna do it the right way.
Okay. Ain't nothing wrong with right way. Already. He doing it the right way, y'all.
There ain't nothing wrong with the wrong way.
Okay, ain't nothing wrong with it.
I just like the right way.
You like the right? Ain't nothing wrong with liking the right way. I'm cool with the right way and the wrong way too. I'm cool with both of us. Hold on, let me make sure I can be handling. Hey man, this is my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Look out racing. Appreciate it, man.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna start back past. Got these cards. Pass them gold cards out, y'all. Let me put a little burnt rubber in your system real quick. Hey, team. Oh nah, Thundercop. Twisted Soul, you still in here? He can put the bottle in the grid if he's in the line. I used to put my bottle in, hey, look out, look out.
Look out.
Hey, I was, what did I used to do? I used to put my bottle up under the hood and let it just lay on top of the header. That's what I used to do. By the time we finish arguing and getting that bet together, it's ready. Hey, y'all.